Hi friends, let's learn the type of birds and their nests. Let's learn now. Let's start. This is hen. We call it cock. If it is male, we call it cock. If it is female, we call it hen. This is a pigeon. This is a peacock. If it is male, we will call it peahen. This is crow. This is duck. If it is baby duck, then we will call it duckling. This is quail. This is cock. Same as you told you like this. There is a female chicken and there is a male. For male chicken, we will call it cock. For female, we will call it hen. This is woodpecker. This is swan. This is flamingo. This is cuckoo. This is kingfisher. This is sparrow. This is ostrich. This is parrot. This is robin. This is eagle. This is a kite. It will always eat flesh. This and this will eat flesh. Myna, a small bird. Crane. This is crane. This is hornbill. This is pelican. The pelican has very long pointed nose. This is red canary. This is hoopie. This is toucan. It is a colorful parrot. This is hummingbird. It's very small and it hums. This is a swallow. This is an owl. This is a turkey. This is a vulture which also eat flesh. Now let's learn the nest of the birds. Bird nests. Let's learn. This is dove's nest. This is weaver bird's nest. This is Tyler bird's nest. This is owl's nest. This is woodpecker's nest inside the wood of the tree. This same like that, owl's nest same like that, but the entrance of the wood is very large. Tyler bird's nest is stitched up. That's why we call the bird Tyler bird. This is weaver bird's nest. It bring dried grass and put them together to make its own house. This is dove nest, which is same like the other bird's nest, which we used to see on the trees every day. Thank you for watching my video. If you want more videos like this for child learning, subscribe and like.